How to contact the seller on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to directly contact the seller of the product in AliExpress. First thing you're going to have to do is open up the AliExpress application and make sure to log into your account. Now, in order to contact with the seller, you're going to have to select the product first. So let's say if I want to get in touch with the person or the seller of this product right here, I can tap on the product and it will show me all of the available options to contact the sellers. So if I just go ahead and scroll down and tap on any of these products, you'll have an option to contact the seller. So here is a Q&A section. So if you scroll down, you'll have this. Tap on the Q&A section, add a question here, and they will most probably answer the question too, and you'll get notified about it on your app. And in some cases, you can even directly start a chat with the seller. So all you have to do is tap on the product, and you'll have this icon, the chat icon, right beside the home or the cart icon down below. Tap on the chat icon, and you can directly start a chat with the seller. So someone from the store or their representative will most probably respond. So let's just ask something like, "Do you also have prescription glasses?" Just tap on the send button here, and once they read the message, they would most probably respond to your question. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.